Good afternoon. My name is Pumlani from South Africa. I want us to talk about isiXhosa language. Mind you, I'm not saying Xhosa. I am using that prefix isi because that is how we address the languages. For example, Japan, we say isiJapan. China, we say isiChina. German, we say isiGermany. Okay. So when talking about isiXhosa, we are talking about one of the indigenous languages of South Africa. Secondly, we are talking about the second most spoken language in South Africa. Thirdly, it is one of the four Nguni languages, together with isiZulu, isiNdebele, and isiSwati. Fourthly, we are talking about the first language of the late President Nelson Mandela and the first language of Miss Universe Zozibini Tunzi. It was first recorded by the missionaries in 1820 at Lovedale in the Eastern Cape. The researchers believe that the name Xhosa comes from Khoikhoi word. You see, when the missionaries came to Eastern Cape, they found people talking different dialects. When talking of dialects, we are talking about unwritten languages. Those are isiGalega, isiBhaca, isiNgqika, isiThembu, isimpondo, isimpondomise, isimfengu, isibovana, isirharhabe, isiXesibe, isihlubi, etc., etc. Now, the isiXhosa that we are talking about is based on the two dialects, that is isiRharhabe and isiNgqika, and it is the first indigenous language. It has got its own grammar, dictionary, and literature. Now, isiXhosa is characterized with three basic clicks. We've got Now we're going to be talking more about the clicks. Firstly, let's talk about this click. Is the dental click, the tip of the tongue. The tip of the tongue goes there, and then you pull it, you suck it away. For example, we've got this word, ela. I'm sorry about my handwriting. Ela. Ask for something. For example, if you want to say, I ask for, you simply prefix with NDI. I hope it's clear. NDI in front of Ela. Now you are saying, I ask for. For example, you are asking for coffee. The Ela I kofu. The second click is a lateral click. For example, uxolo means I am sorry. And it also means peace. When two people are quarreling, you want to make peace. You say, uxolo, peace must be with you. The third one It's a palatal click. It's a palatal click. Ala. Ala. Due to lack of terminology, this means begin, start, and commence. Ala. Remember, I said, whenever you want to say I, you always put NDI. If you can put NDI here, it will be ndi. I start. I start ndi. Ala, I start something. Wonderful. And now, I'm reminded of the late Mama Africa's song when coming to this one, palatal click. I'm sure you've heard it. Igqirha lendlela kuqongqothwane, igqirha lendlela bathi kuqongqothwane, igqirha lendlela kuqongqothwane, igqirha lendlela kuthiwa nguqongqothwane. Now, coming to greeting. When you want to greet one person, any time of the day, you say molo. It means hello. It means sharp. Hey, whatever. That is one person. If you want to greet Samson, molo Samson. But if you want to greet two and many people, you simply say molweni. Now, how do you respond? You simply say yes. You say away. Molo Samson. Away. Molweni. Away. That's how we respond when you when somebody is greeting you. Now, let me move on. Remember, when we talk in the isiXhosa, we always use hlonipha language, a respect language. You don't use someone, you don't call a person's name. You always say molo tata, tata father, molo tata. If somebody is the same age as your father, if somebody is the same age as your mother, molo mama. If somebody is the same age as your brother, molo bhuti. And lastly, if somebody is the same age as your sister, molo sisi. Remember, they are not the formal way of greeting. They are informal. Molo tata, hello father. Molo mama, hello mother. Molo puti, hello brother. Molo sisi, hello sister. But to all of them, when you greet them, molweni, you're gonna see the spelling. Don't mind about that one. Move on. Now you want to ask this person, what is your name? Ungubani igama lakho. We're going to write it down there. You're going to see it. Ungubani igama lakho. Ungubani, who are you? Igama lakho, the name of yours. We're not going to write that one. You're going to see it on your screen. Now, you respond by saying, somebody says, ungubani. You can simply say, ndingu Pumlani. I am ndingu Pumlani. Oh, students, do you want me to write that one down? Okay, no, that's fine. You're going to see it in the lesson down there. Wonderful. Ungubani igama lakho. Say with me, ungubani igama lakho. The response, igama lam ndingu Pumlani. Igama lam ndingu Samson. Wonderful. Let's move on. Now you want to ask this person, how are you? Unjani? 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 Remember that it's you. Njani, how? You how? You how? Booty, how are you? Okay, somebody responds by saying, I'm okay. Ndi, pi, li, le. Meaning that I am alive. Thank God. When I went to sleep, the next day I woke up. Ndiphilile. I'm okay. And then the people on the street, we won't be using all this. Somebody can simply say, Ndi, okay. I'm okay. We have just causalized that English with that NTI. Ndi sharp, ndi alright, etc. Lastly, you want to ask this person, where do you stay? Where do you stay? Uhlalaphi. I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind when I write in this space. You've got that sound. Think of a piece of meat in a frying pan. After you've just poured a cooking oil. Uhlalaphi. Uhlalaphi. The response is ndihlala eStellenbosch. I stay in a Stellenbosch. Before you call the name of the place, you have to use a. Ndihlala New York. I stay in New York. Ndihlala Australia. Something like that. Okay, thank you. This is the end of this introductory lesson. Please, next time, we're gonna go deeper to the next lessons. Please come and join me. When you come to South Africa, I want you to be able to say, to greet, to ask a lot of questions in isiXhosa. Bye-bye.